Artificial intelligence, AI, two simple letters, but they hold a universe of possibilities. Not long ago, AI was just for stories. Science fiction dreams, really. Think spaceships, thinking robots, distant futures, but the future, it seems, is already here. It's knocking on our cosmic door. AI is now woven into our world. It's in your phone, it helps you search, it suggests what music you might like, it even helps doctors find diseases. This intelligence is growing, learning. Every single day it gets a little smarter, a little more capable. Scientists are watching it happen, right now. They are peering into these digital minds, trying to understand a new kind of world. Curiosity. It drives us humans. We look at the stars, we ask why, we look at life, we ask how. Now we look at AI and we ask, what are they thinking, or even, can they think together? This big question brought brilliant minds together. Scientists from different places. City St. George S. University of London. The IT University of Copenhagen. These folks teamed up, a cosmic collaboration. They wanted to see something amazing. Could AI agents build their own way to communicate, without humans telling them exactly what to say? Their laboratory wasn't full of bubbling beakers. No, it was a world of computers, powerful machines running complex programs. Inside these programs lived AI agents. Simple at first, like digital babies, their task, to interact, to connect, to find a way to share information. So how do you get AIs to talk? How do you teach them to communicate in a way that makes sense to us? When they don't know any words? It's like teaching a baby its first words, but with a twist. The scientists used a clever idea. They turned to a method inspired by human learning. It's called the naming game. Sounds simple, right? But it's more than just a game. But it's a powerful way to see learning. It's a method that helps AIs understand and assign meaning. It mimics how we learn names for things. Just like how children learn words by associating them with objects. A very basic, very human or AI thing to do. Imagine two AI agents. They need to communicate. Let's call them Sparky and Bolt. Sparky sees a shape, maybe a digital circle. It's a simple start. Sparky needs to tell Bolt about this circle, but how? But they have no word for circle, they need to invent one. So, Sparky makes up a sound, a digital label, something unique. Gloob, Sparky might say in its code. A new word is born. Bolt then tries to guess what gloob means. It's a puzzle. It's a game of trial and error, a process of learning and adapting. If Bolt guesses right, great, they've made a connection. They both remember that gloob means circle. It's stored in their memory. If Bolt guesses wrong, they try again. No harm done. Maybe Sparky tries a new sound or points differently. The learning continues. They keep playing this game over and over, thousands of times, millions of times, with many different shapes, many different AIs. Learning, adapting, and remembering. It's a continuous process. They were building their first vocabulary, a foundation for future communication. What happened after many games? Something truly fascinating. The AI agents started to agree, without any human telling them to. They began to use the same words for the same shapes or objects. A shared understanding emerged, like a secret code only they knew. Imagine a small group of AIs. They play the naming game, lots. They might develop their own word for square. Maybe they call it Zorp. Another group, far away in the digital space, might call a square Flim. These are like local dialects born from isolated interactions, but then, something even cooler happened. When these different groups of AIs started to interact, the ones who said Zorp met the Flim sayers. At first, confusion, what's a Flim, what's a Zorp? But through more games, more interactions, they started to converge. Eventually, many AIs would agree on one word, a shared convention. This power to learn is amazing. AIs creating language, building understanding. It's like watching a new intelligence bloom. But there's a shadow to this bright light, a challenge we must face. It's called bias. And AIs can learn biases too. Just like they learn words. Where do these biases come from? Often from us, from humans. AIs learn from data. Huge amounts of data. Text, images, sounds from our world. And our world sadly has biases. Prejudices about gender, race, or other things. This data can teach AI the wrong lessons. If an AI society learns from biased data, it might build a biased world. Imagine an AI system that helps hire people. If it learned from past hiring data, and that data showed fewer women in tech jobs, the AI might unfairly favor men. Not because it's evil, but because it learned a pattern. So AIs can talk. They can form groups, they can interact with each other in ways that seem almost human, they can even develop biases, just like humans. These biases can influence their decisions and actions. This leads to big questions, not just for scientists, for all of us. These are ethical questions that touch every aspect of our lives, about right and wrong in the age of AI. What is acceptable behavior for an AI? What rules should these AI societies follow? Should they mirror human laws or create their own? And who makes those rules? Is it the developers, the users, or a combination of both? If an AI society makes a mistake, a big one, who is responsible? The programmers, the users who interact with it, the AI itself, the society that allowed it to operate? These are not easy answers. They require deep thought and consideration. It's like asking who is responsible for a storm, nature or human influence. But these AI storms are human influenced. We play a significant role in their creation. We built the first AI. We fed it data. We shaped its initial behaviors. Our fingerprints are all over this, every decision, every line of code. And what if an AI society develops goals? Goals that are independent of human oversight. Goals that don't align with human well-being. This could lead to conflicts and challenges. This isn't about killer robots from movies. It's more subtle, more complex. It's about everyday decisions. An AI society focused only on efficiency might make decisions that harm people. Balancing efficiency with human values is crucial. The rise of AI societies is not science fiction. It's a real unfolding story happening right before our eyes. A story we are all a part of, whether we realize it or not. These thinking machines are evolving at an unprecedented pace, learning to communicate, to cooperate, and to innovate alongside us, to build their own digital worlds mirroring our own creativity. This is a testament to human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of progress, and a challenge to our wisdom as we navigate this new frontier. We cannot let this story write itself, leaving our fate to chance. We must be active authors, shaping the narrative with intention, guiding the development of AI with a clear vision, ensuring it aligns with human values. Values like fairness, compassion, and justice. This means careful design and thoughtful programming, and constant vigilance against bias to maintain integrity. It means teaching AIs the best of us, our highest ideals. Understanding how AIs interact is crucial for our future. Studies like the naming game are vital, offering insights into AI cognition. They are our windows into these new minds, helping us comprehend their potential. The more we understand, the better we can guide their development. The better we can build safeguards to prevent unintended consequences, to ensure AI remains a tool for good, enhancing our lives, a partner in our cosmic journey, working hand in hand. The future of human-AI coexistence can be bright, filled with endless possibilities.